Let's talk. As a mom, a wife, a content creator of not only one YouTube channel, but two YouTube channels, a girl can use all the organization she can get. You guys who have been following me for a great while, I want to thank you. But you guys also know that I'm huge on organizing my home. But I have a little secret. I am not so great at organizing my calendar, the tasks, the list of things that I have to do on a daily basis. That's why I partnered with Skylight Calendar. It's a digital touchscreen calendar that syncs with all of your existing digital cameras that you are already using. Your Google Calendar, your Apple Calendar, your Outlook, etc. Let's get into it. Skylight Calendar Max. It's not just a calendar, it's a digital touchscreen calendar. It's the family organizer I didn't know I needed, and it will help you stay connected every day. Let me share all of what you're getting inside. Under the screen, you will find everything you'll need to mount your screen. You'll also get a quick start guide, a poster for mounting, a QR code if you'd like to leave them a review of what you think of it, mounting bracket with screws and anchors, an AC adapter, and a magnetic snap-on decorative frame. The hardest part is where to mount it. Where do you think we should place the calendar, honey?
I think it should go on this wall right here. For this kitchen, this is the most practical because we have our coffee pots right here. We have limited wall space, so I feel like this is the perfect spot.
Wherever you decide to place it, be sure that there's an outlet nearby. A few tools are needed, a drill, a flathead, and a Phillips screwdriver. They give you options to either hang it horizontally or vertical. I mean, they really made it easy for you to hang it. The mounting bracket has a built-in level for easy mounting. We were excited that we came across this.
That's a stud.
You're a stud. Next, plug it in and route the wire. Oh, and the power button is on the left bottom corner. Then hang it on the bracket. Babe, let's take on the day.
Let's do it.
Let's do it. And at this time, he will install the magnetic frame. I love the way this looks. It gives it a special touch with the clean design, and it makes it look like it's floating off the wall. One thing about me is that I'm a 70s baby. I like to jot things down in my planner, jot things down on a sticky note. Although I do use my reminders on my iPhone, I just always forget. Honestly, Otis is the one that keeps me on track. But while we were setting it up, the one thing that I was very, very thankful for is that I didn't have to transfer all that information onto a new calendar. The Skylight calendar lets you sync your existing calendar directly to your account. All of my events, my Zoom meeting, personal and family meetings displayed immediately. And I mean immediately. Let me start off by giving you a little tour of the calendar. It has a wonderful layout for multiple viewing options. It shows the days of the week or schedule and month, hour by hour. I love that because you can spot any conflicts. My husband and I are RVers, and this is one of many ways we use the Skylight calendar for getting organized for staying at our favorite RV resort. Almost all of RV parks or resorts will offer you a calendar with activities and events for the month. I'm using their Sidekick to upload all of the activities and events. Simply open the app, take a photo of the flyer schedule, and it automatically imports the events into the calendar. I love this so much because it saves you time from writing or typing everything out. Otis and I are going to be taking a trip in February. And here is all the events I imported from my phone, and it's right here on the Skylight. Otis can see this exact schedule from his phone, and he could look at it from here if he wanted to. Another feature is using the magic import, and that is where I can forward emails to schools or send a spreadsheet and PDF files, get some photos and screenshots. And as you can see when I imported it, it automatically went to my email address. And say if you wanted to add something to the schedule, and say if you wanted to add an event, just press the plus icon and put in what you want to add to the event. So maybe you want to do swimming. Add swimming to the event, put the time and date, and save it, and it will put it here. This will definitely benefit those who have children, and what comes with that are activities. Your kids can see if they have practice or dance or even a game that day. And the great thing about it is it's all color-coded. So if their name is under blue, they just click on that and see what they have going on for that day. You have multiple calendars connected to the same calendar. I find this super interesting and helpful, especially if you're co-parenting. Everyone can connect their email to one calendar. This way everyone's on the same schedule. Oh, and then there's meal planning. I know I'm not the only mom, dad, or wife that's out there who hears every day, "What's for dinner?" Let me share how it has helped us tremendously. Let me give you a closer look at the Calendar Plus feature, meal planning. Meal planning has become so simple. I love using the dinner section to plan our meals for the week. If you don't eat lunch or breakfast, you can always toggle it off. Usually on Sundays, I'll sit down with Otis and chat about what he would like for dinner or what he would prefer, trying a new restaurant in the area or getting something delivered. Lately, I've been experimenting with new meals, so if I wanted to add a new meal, just tap the plus icon and fill in the meal that you want in that slot. If you see a meal that you would like to try, you can always use Sidekick to import that meal recipe from a website or a photo, and it will automatically add that recipe and step-by-step instructions and ingredients. Sidekick adds ingredients from generated recipes to your grocery list, so they are on hand at the store. You can add events, lists, or recipes by simply speaking with voice input. You can create custom recipes with Sidekick. Just type or speak a few words, like gluten-free, ready under 30 minutes, or chicken and zucchini, and I can see the entire recipe on this large screen. But since using the Skylight calendar, it makes planning meals so much easier. I also always have a running list of my staples: milk, eggs, juice, bread. But if we need something for the RV, for instance, cleaner for the septic or black tank, or DEF, me or Otis can easily add that to the list and access it on our mobile app on our phone. And then there's routines. This can ensure that your kids make sure that they brush their teeth, pack their lunches, make sure that their homework is in their book bag. We don't have small children at our home, but we do have grandchildren that are older and some that are younger. The younger ones that come over here, they get chores too. Not so much from Mimi, but Grandpa. Grandpa gives them chores. This is my personal favorite because this help keeps the kids engaged. You're building positive habits, independence, and accountability. Plus, it lightens the mental load by helping the whole family share the responsibilities. Under routines, we have a home management schedule, and as a homeowner, that's not always easy to keep up with. Lawn maintenance, cleaning dryer vents, adding new batteries to the fire detectors, etc. Now we can check the board to make sure everything is checked off the to-do list. Rewards to tasks and chores comes with a calendar plus subscription. We are super pleased with it, and I know you will be too. Skylight Calendar Max is the all-in-one smart calendar designed for modern family life. To try it for yourself, scan the QR code or visit the link in the description to learn more about the Skylight calendar.